Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by mapping when and why you reach for the phone. Note triggers like boredom or notifications. Once done, pick one measurable target for today, for example, cut scrolling by 20%. Then set up quick barriers. Enable Do Not Disturb, set app timers, and place your charger outside the bedroom. These prerequisites are the first actionable steps because they remove friction immediately and let you experience the small wins that keep motivation high. You now shift the habit loop by inserting alternative routines. When the urge hits, do a 2-minute ritual like a stretch or a quick walk. Make deliberate rules. Check only during 2 scheduled 15-minute windows and stick to them. Also, make cues obvious. Put a sticky note on the phone, label alarms with reasons, and leave fitness gear in sight. These structured replacements retrain your cue response pattern and gradually weaken the automatic grabbing of the device. You finish each day with a short review. List what worked and what didn't, then tweak app limits or check windows accordingly. Once you have momentum, expand phone-free activities, add a 20-minute hobby, a short workout, or reading before bed. If you relapse, don't shame yourself. Perform a 24-hour mini phone fast, identify the trigger you missed, and adjust the environment. This troubleshooting tip helps you recover fast and make steady progress toward long-term control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.